How to embed PDF in Wix. In order to do that, click onto this plus icon right here in order to add an element. Now, from in there, you should be able to see in here this. So click on this embed in social. We have in here this option to embed code, embed site, custom elements, as well as social bars, Instagram feeds, and the likes. So if you're knowledgeable to coding, you can head over and then embed a file using this code right here. If not, you can head over and search and input right here file option, and it will allow you to do a file share, Lottie, as well as forms option. So since we want to use or embed a PDF, we can use Help site for this case. So let me just delete this part right there and then click onto this catalog, click onto this widget, and search in here for embed PDF. So you can just search in here for that. We have in here this PDF embed. Click on that and then choosing here a template that you wish to use. We have in here this. Click onto this continue with this file. We have in here the sample PDF, and if you had or if you have another file, click onto this add and upload that file. Once you're done, click onto this publish option. And then from in there, choose right here the flag that you want. Click on select and then copy this code. Now head back to your Wix and then just click onto this embed code option and add it right around here to the blank part of the page or wherever you want to put it. Now once you have attached it right here, make sure to enter the code provided. Click onto this enter code and then let's paste right here the code that we have and click on update. Once we have done that, it will show us in here the PDF file that we have embedded into our actual app site. So that's how you embed PDF in Wix. Hope we helped.